Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel. So guys, today I'm discussing very important option is called. So everyone using Facebook and Instagram option. So some people are facing some problem. So how we can schedule post on Facebook and Instagram? What is the option for schedule a post? So what are the changes and what are the update? So previous, if you want to share any kind of post on the Facebook, the minimum we can require for 6 months. There is will be reduced to the only for up to 2 months. So how you can schedule the post on a Facebook and Instagram at a same time with using desktop. So mobile anyone we can do it is not a big task. But in desktop if you're using, how we can sharing the videos or post options, particular images. So how we can schedule the at a time Instagram and Facebook. First of all, you can log in Instagram and Facebook in this. First major important key point is called setting the Facebook page, each and every Facebook page connecting your Instagram will be compulsory mandatory field. So what are the page you design or in create? The page will be created only for Instagram compulsory will be connect. One Facebook page, only one Instagram will be connect. For suppose another Facebook page is there, you have only one Instagram is already connected. It is once again connected will be not possible. Just keep it on mind. Lot of people are getting question in the my YouTube channel. So I have Instagram one, I have the two Facebook pages. Will we connect two one Facebook page in one Instagram? It is not possible. If you connecting for one Facebook page, only one Instagram. Two Facebook page, one Instagram, not possible. So this is a keep it in mind. After connect this one, how is the posting is applicable? How is the posting is applicable? First of all, what are the your connecting will be Facebook page, Instagram, that all will be connecting for Facebook Creator Studio. This is a major key point. Facebook Creator Studio. In this one, first of all, we can log in the Instagram accounts. What are the Instagram here? We can log in the Instagram account. After login, just create a post, Instagram feed. In the Instagram field, where is your Facebook page is there? Select the particular Instagram. Here, apply to connect your post in this. Where is your exact image is there? Select it. Here, select your Facebook page and upload it. Here we can using for particular hashtags. The hashtag will be using up to 30 hashtag we can use. That is a as you wish. We can use up to 30 hashtag. Remaining 5 will be pending. 30 mention. Here remaining content will be there. In this, immediate post option will be here in the Facebook. Facebook will be separate schedule is there. When publish time, on time we can publish by the Instagram. If you want schedule only for Facebook, here is the there. So separate schedule also there and mutual schedule also will be there. If you go to this one, if you want schedule now this time, so I can go for it here. So in this, I'm selecting for date of here. Sorry, minimum required for 10 minutes. Now is 11:52. Is not possible. Select it. Say minimum required for 10 minutes. I can increase the time. 12:1, 12:2, 12:3, 12:4. 12:4 onwards, they will accept. Why? After 10 minutes, post is possible. So up to how many? 75 days. The post will be 2 months. So they will calculate up to 2 months. They will be called 75 days. Previous, they post for minimum 6 months. Now it will be post only for 75 days. The schedule post is available. If anyone asking question, can you schedule post on Facebook, Instagram? They will be post will be separately. We can do it. They can do for at a time same, or you can do for schedule post will be different. So now I can go for schedule. Click for schedule option. The post was scheduled by the in a particular Facebook and Instagram option. Here one question is there. So you can posting perfectly done. Okay, is a no worry about that. Suppose I'm posting for right now is a on time schedule post. It is posting or not? That is a good question. That is purpose. I'll show you here. Go for it Instagram post. Select it. Any email you can select as you wish. There's nothing worry. And here we can go for schedule this one. I'll show next video. Publish it. Now refresh. Just a second. I'm posting that video of the post with using image. Here is the option. Now refresh. You can check it out. Done. Is it clear? So this is a method we can follow that schedule post. So I can schedule by only for Facebook. How it is doing that? Now we can show you here. Now we can schedule only for Facebook purpose. Just copy the before up to Facebook. Here will be click for business dot here. This only schedule post will be Facebook page purpose. Previous I'm using for Creator Studio, where you can posting for Facebook and Instagram also. This is the purpose of we can post at a time will be into the Instagram and same will be scheduled post for the particular Facebook also. So Instagram is on time post, Facebook will be scheduled post. So yeah, you can using hashtags. So yeah, Facebook and Instagram selected. Facebook schedule, backdate and save draft. I can selecting for backdate. Schedule will be in this option. Backdate will be when your Facebook page created up to we can post your backdate one. If you go for schedule post, now you can see this 1, 2. So how many days? 75 days you can post your particular things here. Selecting in this, your particular post will be selected after 10 minutes. I'm selecting 9 minutes is not accepted. 10. So schedule. Facebook feed is a schedule. Instagram will be on time. So there will be automatically will be dispatch your particular option. So that is called when you're on time will be schedule purpose. We can go to this option will be here. When scheduled by only Facebook, we can using for business.facebook.com/your profile name. Here also will be given option in this. Sometime it is not visible by any option. So that is the reason publishing tool in this you can using for particular option is called business.facebook.com/your particular page username. That is we can use and post your schedule by the Facebook page. Instagram will be hold. If you want using Creator Studio, everything will be published for Instagram. Facebook page will be scheduled. Here, when you schedule the post, Instagram will be hide. When you publish post time, Facebook feed and Instagram will be enabled. So these are the futures. We have to know that schedule post time. Only Facebook schedule post you can using Creator Studio and business.facebook.com/your page username. This is the method we have to follow that schedule post on Facebook and Instagram. Facebook will be separate, Instagram will be separate. We can posting only for Facebook also. Facebook will be scheduled, Instagram will be on time post, Instagram will be scheduled, Facebook will be on time post. So these are all method we can do it on the Facebook schedule post on using Facebook Creator Studio business.facebook.com/your page username. So this is the method we have to follow this one to schedule post on the particular each and every post. Here, small information in this. When scheduled by the Instagram by video, it is possible only for Instagram. So we can uploading in the video option. So it is not possible by the to schedule by option will be here. So the video will be 60 second. You can select here, which is a video will be 60 second. You can select in this here. I'm selecting this option, but not accepting for some method will be facing a problem. In the video also we can schedule by the Instagram field, or we can publish by content. So those platform we can do by Instagram. Most of the people schedule by post on the Instagram, Facebook. Video schedule little bit problem. That is called we can using for Facebook. Particular sharing will be there in the business.facebook.com. If you're sharing for images and particular Facebook and Instagram, we can using Facebook Creator Studio. Follow these instructions. Schedule post on Facebook page and Instagram. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe our channel.